On October 31st, officers Denatali and Yell from the Trenton Police Department in New Jersey approached Daniel and Mariah as they stood on a public sidewalk after responding to a report about a man and a woman near a gray Dodge Ram truck with Pennsylvania plates, and the situation began without any clear accusation. The call did not identify Daniel or Mariah, and it did not claim that either person had committed any offense, which meant there was no direct link between them and any alleged wrongdoing at that moment. What followed next unfolded entirely on camera through Officer Denatali's body-worn device, providing a full record of how the encounter developed from a simple approach into a situation that raised serious legal questions.
Somebody else was riding with you? Somebody else was riding in the truck with you? Y'all just got out the truck?
No. Wait, you saying somebody riding with you?
Y'all just got out of this truck, right?
No. Parked there for a while.
Were y'all just sitting in the truck?
I mean...
Yes, right? You was just sitting in the truck?
You just sit...
What?
I don't answer questions. I don't want to incriminate myself.
You're not incriminating yourself, you're answering a question.
Which can potentially incriminate myself, so I don't answer questions. We were here for a long time.
No, I'm not worried about if you was here for a long time or not. It's pertaining to the call, but you're not in any trouble.
We're here for a call for service. We're trying to see if my partner's asking you a question to see if you pertain to the call. If you don't, then you'll be on your way, and we'll be on our way handling our job.
No, it's fine. I understand.
There's no need to get smart with me.
No, I'm not trying to get smart with you. I was just saying, like, I don't want to get in trouble for doing nothing wrong.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm just standing here.
There's no need to get smart with the police officer.
I wasn't trying to get smart with you.
Okay.
I'm just
Keep it that way.
I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
Keep it that way. Dispatcher, can you give a description of the vehicle? You got two parties out here in the pickup truck. I'm just trying to verify if they're involved with this one.
That it was a Dodge Ram truck, red in color, and she gave me a plate.
She gave you a plate of a Dodge Ram truck.
You can, we're out with two. If you could just, make a call back, see if she's going to come out here.
You guys get a call for a Dodge Ram?
Yes, we got a call for you too.
Place, so you guys pull up here?
And you have a responsibility to check it out. If you guys are doing nothing wrong, then you guys are doing nothing wrong.
That's fine. I'm just curious.
Do you guys have IDs just so I can see who I'm talking with?
I do, but I don't feel like I have to give it to you.
Well, you do.
I don't.
I'm telling you, you do.
In the state of New Jersey, it's an non-ID state. I haven't committed a crime. I haven't committed a crime. Can I have your name and badge number, by the way? Your badge numbers.
I need your IDs.
I need you guys' name and badge numbers. I'm interacting. I don't even know who you guys are. I'm interacting with police. You guys need to identify.
Right now.
Clear identifiers.
Okay, but I don't.
Cameras are running.
Okay, so
badge number and names right there.
As well. You guys
That's fine.
Why are you intimidating me like this?
I'm not intimidating you.
You came up to me really aggressively.
I'm not intimidating you.
Why are you being aggressive like this? I haven't committed a crime. You're trying to ID me. I haven't done anything wrong.
We got a call. My dispatchers are giving your vehicle with you guys being described.
You're trying to jump the gun and do wait. You're not.
331.
I'm not trying to cause any problems.
Okay. Let's both stop. Let's both not speak, right?
There in 5 minutes.
Now just listen to me.
Still here, even though you guys are on scene.
I'm not here for just my fun, right? So I got just listen to me. I understand what you're doing. Listen to me.
I'm understanding.
So we got called here, right? When we got here.
All right, Tepper, what's the complaint about? Because we're out with these two parties. We're trying to identify them and figure out what's going on.
The truck was identified. Not you, not her. I asked whether or not you were sitting in the truck because something could have been wrong with her, something could have been wrong with you. You could have been the victim. You could have been anything. So I'm going to ask if you're okay. That's why. Just let me talk. That's why I asked you, right? But then you got smart with me.
I wasn't trying to be smart. I wasn't trying to be smart.
We have an obligation, right? When we're talking with people and we get a call, and I'm not saying you two are doing anything wrong. But I'm going to call my dispatcher, as you heard on my radio, and I turned it up so you could hear, because I have nothing to hide from you.
I'm sure you guys get calls all the time about anything.
We get calls, male, female, Dodge Ram truck.
That's it. Did I do something wrong? No.
So I'm asking you to identify yourself.
And I am refusing to identify myself because I have not committed a crime. And in New Jersey, this is a non-ID state. I refuse to identify myself. You asked me, and I refused. I feel like
this is an investigation, and I'm asking you to
so
investigate.
Investigate.
And
it's fine.
you
investigate.
And
I am not going to. I am not going to.
Daniel calmly laid out what the law actually allows, yet the officer dismissed it and claimed he was mistaken. So the record needs to be set straight in plain terms. In New Jersey, there is no requirement for a person to state their name or show identification just because an officer asks during an investigation, and that point defines the limits of this encounter. The Supreme Court of the United States addressed this issue in Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, where it ruled that identification can be required during a Terry stop only when a state has a clear stop and identify law, and only when there is reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, neither condition is present because New Jersey has no such statute, and there was no visible crime to justify that level of demand. The court also confirmed in Florida v. Royer that during a voluntary encounter, a person may ignore questions and leave without consequence. The officers were acting on a report about a vehicle, not about confirmed suspects, and while asking questions falls within their authority, turning those questions into demands steps beyond what the law permits and changes the nature of the interaction.
I'm requesting a supervisor. I'm requesting a supervisor. I want a supervisor. Call the supervisor. I want a supervisor. Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor. You got this on video, yes?
I have it on video.
Call the supervisor. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
No.
Relax.
You're obstructing.
I'm not obstructing. I'm not obstructing. I'm requesting a supervisor.
Man, back up. Back up. You're going to be arrested too.
Back up. I'm requesting a supervisor. They have to get one. They have to call the supervisor. Call 911. Call the supervisor. Call 911. Get a supervisor over here right now. Call 911. Get a supervisor. Get a supervisor over here. I do not consent to search and seizure. Hey, get this on video. Get this on video. I do not consent to search and seizure. I do not. This is against my First Amendment. This is against my Fourth Amendment. I do not consent to search and seizure. Why are you putting me in? Why are you? Okay, I will get in. I'm not resisting. He's sticking in my pockets. He's sticking in my pockets.
No, what are you doing? What are you doing?
He's under arrest.
Why are you touching my penis?
What are you doing?
He's
I
under
said I would
arrest.
get in the car. I'm not resisting.
I'm patting you down. I'm patting you down. It's called search.
I want your badge number.
Okay, it's Officer Detail 7.
I'm requesting a supervisor.
Have a seat in the car.
I'm requesting a supervisor. Where's my baby? Get my wallet.
No, I want a supervisor. He did not do
And you will
anything
get
wrong.
one.
Please get away
will
from
get
me.
one.
Stop intimidating me. I
No
want
one's
a supervisor.
intimidating.
You're intimidating me.
Baby,
I
my
want.
wallet's on the floor.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my God! Don't touch me. No. I didn't do anything.
631 South Clinton.
No. Help me. I'm not fighting. Help me.
Relax.
I'm not fighting.
Relax.
I'm not
Relax.
fighting. Help me. I'm not fighting. I didn't do anything
South Clinton
wrong.
Avenue. Get units out. 631
Stop. I didn't do anything wrong. Stop touching me.
Relax.
Please stop touching me. I didn't do anything wrong. Please stop touching me. Please let me go. I did not do anything wrong. I want a manager. I want a supervisor. No, I didn't do anything wrong. This is my legal right.
Stop.
This is my legal right. Help me. This is my legal right. Don't touch me. Help me. I want a supervisor.
Have a seat. Have a seat, please.
Don't touch me,
Have a
please.
seat in the car, ma'am.
I'm uncomfortable. Don't touch me, please.
Have a seat in the
I am
car.
uncomfortable,
Have a
please.
seat in the
I
car.
am uncomfortable. Don't touch me.
Here, then sit
Don't
on the
touch
curb.
me. Don't touch me. I'm
on the
uncomfortable.
curb.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. I want a supervisor. I want a supervisor. I want a supervisor.
You stand here.
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not moving. I want a supervisor.
Is this your phone right here?
I want my supervisor. Baby, what? I know. I want a supervisor. a supervisor. I want a supervisor.
Code 4-2 in custody.
Code 4 now being called 631 South Olden. Code 4 being called 631 South Olden. 2 in
They
custody.
took my camera. They took my phone. Is your body cam on?
Yes.
Is your body cam on? Is your body
It's recording it since we talked to you.
She going in my car?
Yeah, she's going in your car.
What is
We
it?
have her phone.
I want a supervisor. Oh my God,
I'm getting a supervisor right now. I'm getting a new vehicle.
I didn't do anything. Stop. I don't consent to this. I don't consent to this. I don't consent to this. I'm uncomfortable. Why are you touching my breast? Why did you touch
I'm a
my
female.
breast?
Do you want a male to touch you or a female to touch you?
I want a supervisor.
All right. Well, this is the policy. So, I thought that was a female.
No, that's a male. Both disorderly persons obstructing an investigation, NYD. Told him he was being detained, didn't want to provide identification. Female started getting rowdy, started grabbing at us, trying to prevent us from searching him incidental to arrest. Both are under arrest for disorderly person.
The officer's statement to a supervisor becomes the most critical part of the video because it is the moment where a legal narrative is shaped after the encounter has already unfolded, and every detail now carries weight. He claimed that Mariah was grabbing at officers and interfering with a search tied to an arrest, which presents her actions as unlawful resistance. A search connected to an arrest is only valid when the arrest itself is lawful, and that rule was established by the Supreme Court of the United States in Chimel v. California, where it confirmed that such a search must follow a proper custodial arrest. If Daniel's arrest was not legally justified and relied on an obstruction claim under New Jersey law without any requirement for identification, then the basis for that arrest falls apart completely. Without a lawful arrest, there can be no lawful search, and without a lawful search, there is nothing for Mariah to obstruct. The law does not support punishing someone for reacting to an action that should not have occurred, and this protection comes from the Fourth Amendment, which the Supreme Court explained in Terry v. Ohio as guarding people from unreasonable and oppressive interference by authorities. In full context, her behavior appears less like obstruction and more like a natural reaction from someone witnessing a partner being taken into custody despite no clear violation of the law and responding in that moment.
This is against my constitutional rights. This is crazy.
What's your name, bud?
My name?
Yes, sir. I'm Officer Dinatal, badge 7525. What's your name, sir?
My name is Daniel Bernansky.
Thank you, Daniel.
No problem.
So, Daniel, I want you to understand something. When the police are conducting an investigation, right, doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong.
Right.
But you have to identify, okay? The reason that you're, is that your girlfriend?
It is.
Okay, so the reason she got handcuffed, and I'm going to explain that to you. She started grabbing at me and my partner. What I was doing was pat frisking
my
you.
wallet because my wallet.
Yeah, but she can't touch it because you were in custody at that point. So what that's called, it's called search incidental to arrest. So I pat you down, and I have to pat everywhere.
All right, but
I'm
being
across the
illegally
board.
arrested because I haven't committed a crime.
But it's not. It's called.
Not identifying myself is not illegal.
You're obstructing the administration
I'm not
of investigation.
obstructing an investigation because I'm not identifying myself. That's not
You are.
obstructing. Please call a supervisor, please.
And I will.
Please, can I please,
Brandon.
please both speak to a supervisor?
Hold on. I will let you speak. I promise that.
Thank you. You're gonna be in trouble, bro.
I'm not going to be in trouble, but I've been doing this long enough. Dan, I've been doing this long enough.
Who don't know their rights. I'm telling you, brother. I'm not trying to be an asshole. I wasn't trying to be a dick. I know my rights. I don't have to identify myself because I'm suspicious. All right? I haven't committed a crime. Like, this is illegal. All I asked was for a supervisor. You guys put me in handcuffs. You were picking me up. I don't know why you were picking me up. I never said I wouldn't get in the car. I would get right in the car. No problem. I did.
You did.
And I did.
You did. You're not resisting.
She wasn't trying to resist. She wasn't trying to obstruct. She was just upset that I was being
Dan,
put under
she was
arrest.
grabbing at me and my partner's pants. She was trying to pull you off of us. And if she wasn't doing that, she would have never been put in handcuffs.
She was trying
ever.
to get
Because
my
I had
wallet
no
because I was
problem.
worried that it would get stolen. She heard me screaming.
No,
about
she
my
tried
wallet.
to take your wallet, and she's not allowed to touch it because guess what? It's our responsibility. Once I put you in handcuffs,
understand
your property, Dan, is my responsibility.
I understand that. I know, but you guys.